test for UG admission in universities will not be implemented from 2021 to 2022 session, says UGC. Goa Board HSSC result 2021 to be announced today. Madhya Pradesh government scraps maximum age criteria for college admissions. Tripura to support meritorious students from economically weaker backgrounds to pursue professional courses and higher education. Jammu and Kashmir higher education and skill development institutions to reopen in phased manner. UGC issues new guidelines for commencement of academic year 2021 to 2022. Delhi University to admit students based on cutoffs. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Central University's Common Entrance Test, that is CUCET, for undergraduate admission will not be implemented from the 2021 to 2022 academic session in view of the coronavirus pandemic, the University Grants Commission announced on Sunday. The Ministry of Education had earlier announced that the admission to the universities will be based on a common entrance test. In view of the prevailing COVID-19 pandemic, admission process in central universities during academic session 2021 to 2022 may continue as per past practice. CUCET may be implemented from academic session 2022 to 2023, the UGC tweeted. The Union Education Ministry had constituted a committee to look into modalities for the CUCET for admissions to all undergraduate courses at central universities as suggested under the NEP 2020. The Goa Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education will announce the results of Higher Secondary School Certificate, or Class 12, today, that is on July 19th. The board had cancelled the Class 12 exams this year due to the coronavirus situation, and it was said that the students would be allotted marks on the basis of their internal assessment. The board chairman said that the board will formally declare the HSSC results at 5 p.m. today. A total of 18,195 students studied in Class 12 of the Goa Board this year. The Madhya Pradesh Higher Education Department has released admission guidelines and rules for admissions to various undergraduate and postgraduate courses in government colleges of the state for the session 2021 to 2022. As per the notification released, the department has scrapped the upper age limit provision for college admissions from the current year 2021 to 2022. As per the new guidelines of the Higher Education Department, there will be no age restriction for taking admission in the colleges of the state. Earlier, the maximum age for regular admission to undergraduate courses was 21, and for postgraduate courses it was 28. The admission process for various UG and PG courses in the state, private and government colleges, will begin from August 1st. Tripura's BJP-led government has announced to financially support economically backward meritorious students to pursue various professional and other courses in government-recognized higher educational institutes. According to the announcement, the state government would give at least Rs 1 lakh for the course, with releasing the first installment of Rs 50,000 during admission, and the rest after the students got the pass certificates of their first year course. The applicants having 50% marks in either class 10 or 12, or admitted in professional courses of not less than 2 years, could apply for the scheme. A total of 176 professional courses under the scheme were approved by the Tribal Welfare Department for the eligible candidates. The University Grants Commission has recently issued a list of new guidelines regarding the functioning of colleges and universities in the new academic session 2021 to 2022, keeping in mind the current COVID-19 pandemic situation. Apart from issuing new guidelines for the upcoming academic year, UGC has also issued an updated academic calendar for the same. Dates have been issued for the examinations and admission process for the 2021 to 2022 session. In the official notice released on Twitter, UGC has stated in its guidelines that the admission process for first-year undergraduate courses should be completed no later than September 30th, and the classes for the same should commence by October 1st. The notice also states that the academic session 2021 to 2022 should be commenced by university authorities as soon as possible. The session can commence in online, offline, or blended mode, keeping in mind the pandemic situation in their areas. Delhi University authorities on Saturday confirmed that admissions to its undergraduate courses for the academic session 2021 to 2022 will take place through cutoffs based on merit, like the previous years. Registration for UG courses will begin on August 2nd, and the last date to apply is August 31st. Like last year, the admission process will be completely online, from registration to fee payment. Approximately 70,000 undergraduate seats and 20,000 postgraduate seats are available this year. DU had earlier said it would most likely conduct admissions through a cut-off list, but that it was also committed to implementing the Central University's Common Entrance Test if it begins this year. The CUCET has now been ruled out this year. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theenn.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.